This is what the YouTube algorithm favors. Start with, you need to get people to click on your video. This is the most obvious thing, but it's also the most essential. And then you need to keep them watching. Hey, you haven't heard this before? Or you might not have heard this before. Viewer satisfaction is key. If you get them to click, watch, into another video, this will mean the viewers like your video. And you know what that means? YouTube will promote it to more more people. Therefore getting you more impressions, and if that broad audience clicks on it, then that gets you more views. Even though you now know what the YouTube algorithm favors, you still have these four mistakes that will get in your way that will stop you from growing the YouTube channel. Go ahead and watch the video on the screen now, and I will expose them so you can grow faster on YouTube. Go ahead and watch that video, and I'll see you there.